so beautiful building, and they are all old building actually. Here outside another church here in Munster. So we're going there. They have Marco Polo. We go inside of this church. Look, this church is really looks so old. Lambertus Church, I think the name of this church. Diba, have a look. Modern ang kanyang ano Wow. Look at this church. Is also old church. Wow, look. Si Papa Jesus. Look at the organ. Wow. Another church. Another beautiful church. Look. Si Papa.
We have a wisdom here. Wisdom.
Yeah. Mga old church sila. Ang dami nilang old church here in Munster, and many church they have. This is the station of the cross. Oh, look at, they have a light on the stairs.
Yeah, also outside, going all the way to the top.
May light pa yung stairs nila. This is the altar. Going to the altar.